That truck in front of me, that motherfucker got some jakes, buddy. Listen to shit. If he puts them on, going down the hill, he should. Come on, asshole. Put them on. Nope. Gotta get at speed to get up the hill. Use you can hear it. That motherfucker sounds good. Use there they are. Alright, downshift it. Nice looking Pete.